Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video, I would like to share the jobs that I have been posting. Uh, if you remember right, I am keep on saying that I have been posting jobs for every 5 minutes in LinkedIn. So this is my profile, Prakash K. I recommend you follow my profile so that you'll get the daily job updates quickly. So keeping that aside, let's talk about job opening 11,215. Fortinet companies hiring for systems engineer enterprise at Bangalore location. You can apply to the job using this link. Job opening 11,214. Tesla companies hiring for parts advisor at Delhi location. You can apply to the job using this link. Job opening 11,213. Atos companies hiring for SAP consultant at Chennai location. You can apply to the job using this link. Careerya job opening 11,212. NetApp companies hiring for enterprise app programmer at Bangalore location. You can apply to the job using the link. Job opening 11,211. Deltec companies hiring for senior product manager at India, and it's a remote job. You can apply to the job using this link. Careerya job opening 11,210. Schneider Electric is hiring for customer project technical engineer at multiple locations in India. You can apply to the job using this link. Careerya job opening 11,208. Palo Alto Networks companies hiring for domain consultant at North India, New Delhi, in Share region of Delhi, and you can apply to the job using this link. Career job opening 11,207. EY companies hiring for associate director at Mumbai location. You can apply to the job using this link. Career job opening 11,206. Apple companies hiring for product safety engineer and Bangalore location. You can apply to the job using this link. So that's it for this video, guys. I've been posting for every 5 minutes. Do follow my profile and take advantage of the efforts we are putting in to collect the jobs. Thank you and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more job related information videos. Thank you and have a great day.